Why buy this when you can make this? Let's get into it. Hello and welcome back to another episode of Tiny Kitchen Cooks. This is Cameron. Today we're going to be making something that is commonly used in a lot of Italian dishes, at least in the United States, which is Italian seasoning. Now, you can get the store-bought stuff, but we're going to make it ourselves. So, we need the following. We need 2 tablespoons of dried oregano, 1 tablespoon of basil, 1 tablespoon of marjoram, 1 teaspoon of rosemary, and 1 teaspoon of thyme. All of which for this recipe I'm using dried. Optionally, if you want, you can add garlic powder and you can add red chili flake. Personally, I don't add dried garlic or red chili flake because I like to control how much garlic or how much heat goes into whatever I'm making, whether that's a sauce or whether I'm making a sausage, it doesn't matter. I like to control that. But up to you. If you want to include that, I would say add optionally 1 teaspoon each. Next, we're just going to combine everything into our spice jar and mix together. Here we go. First, our oregano. Next, our basil. Next, our marjoram. Next, our rosemary. And last, our thyme. Now, as you can see, this is not that much. Normally, I would double or even triple this amount, but this is the first time I'm trying it out, so we'll see how it goes. So next, let's go ahead and put on the lid, and we will just give everything a nice shake. Here we go. Alright, now that everything has been pretty well shaken together, this is more or less what we're left with. And that's got plenty of seasoning, at least for, say, a spaghetti sauce or something else that you'd like to make. So here it is, my take on Italian seasoning. Like I said, next time I will probably double or even triple this amount, but this is what I've got to start with. We'll see how it goes. I will definitely use this in future recipes. As always, if you enjoy this video, please consider liking and subscribing. See you on the next episode.
Tiny Kitchen Cooks.